Okay, so here is a look into my refrigerator and some of the stuff that I eat. We have Yoplait Light yogurt. The original chai tea latte, it's concentrate, so all you have to do is add half of that to a glass and add the other half with skim-free milk, and it's like the chai tea lattes that Starbucks serves. So, have to have my diet decaffeinated green tea so that I can drink it until it's time for bed. Please discard the pizza and plastic bags from Papa John's. There's my kimchi. I bought it probably about 2 weeks ago and it's already 2/3 gone. There's my eggs, and then that's my vegetable mixture for my scrambled egg whites. It's mushrooms, red peppers, and green onions. Ooh, it's chilly. Whole wheat, English muffins. More English muffins, some sweet potatoes. Dark chocolate jello, 60 calories, love, love, love. And I'm a Clausen pickle fanatic. Look at all those pickles. Still haven't even eaten them. My little Rachel Ray chicken broth. And then there's my homemade cucumber kimchi. I just put it in a bag. And then I have lots of corn, some more green peppers, onions. There's lettuce in there. And then Bonnie, I wanted to show you this stuff for your sandwiches. Horseradish mustard by French's. I love this stuff, and I'm not that big of a mustard fanatic, but for 0 calories it adds a lot of flavor. And look at Kitty. He's hungry too. I love fat-free hot dogs, and I use the mustard with ketchup to put on it. Okay, so the freezer. Lean turkey burgers, more fat-free hot dogs, coffee. If you didn't know, coffee, if you keep it in the freezer, it stays longer. Some apple juice, tomatoes, and avocados. Oh, my favorite, Skinny Cow chocolate with fudge ice creams, 150 calories. I just recently started buying these. They're actually pretty low in calories, and they're actually really good. They're by Bertolli. This is the garlic shrimp peony with cherry tomatoes. This is the shrimp and asparagus with peony. Alright, we'll just leave that alone for now. This is one of my favorite sausages. They're only 120 calories per link, and I think it's either chicken or turkey is the main ingredient. It's chicken. Anyway, smoked mozzarella and artichoke with garlic. It's really good to just cut up, and then put it in your pasta too. Some more ice cream. Eating Right chocolate fat-free frozen yogurt. Oh, it's not too bad. It tastes like a fudgesicle, a chocolate fudgesicle. Pierogies. Right. Enough out of there. Oh, Weight Watchers cream cheese. Love, love, love. I bought a whole bunch of blueberries and a 9-grain bread by San Juan Island. It's one of the islands off of Washington. Go figure, cookie recipe. Alright, my cabinet's a little messy. Some Simple Jif. I too have a lot of whole grain or whole wheat pasta. Wheat Thins reduced fat. It's my favorite breakfast, Nature Valley bars. It's good also if you just crumble up and put in your yogurt. Raisin, date, and walnut. Cashew, carrot, ginger soup. Rice. My almonds again, I love them. As well as my Special K cereal. Everything's crushed in there because I don't have any room anywhere else. Everything else is packed. Look at that. Whew. Mess. And that's all there is.